Ever wondered why your Android phone feels like it's missing out on the FaceTime fun with your iPhone-toting friends and family? Well, buckle up because in the next 90 seconds, we're demystifying video calls across platforms, showing you exactly how to connect with your iOS pals using video, even without native FaceTime on Android. First, let's talk about the big players' third-party apps. Google Meet is a fantastic option, and chances are, you already have it installed. Open the app, start a new meeting, and share the meeting link with your iPhone's buddy. They can join right from their browser without needing a Google account. Next up is WhatsApp, another widely used choice if you and your iOS contact both have WhatsApp. Simply open their chat, tap the video call icon at the top, and you're good to go. It's super simple and quick. Zoom isn't just for work meetings. It's a great video calling solution. To download the Zoom app, start a new meeting, and share the meeting ID or invite link with your iPhone contact. They can join via the app or their web browser. Remember, the key to all these methods is that both you and your iOS contact need to use the same app or platform for the video call to work. No magic FaceTime button on Android, unfortunately. Don't forget, other solid cross-platform options include Skype, Viber, and Facebook Messenger, all offering similar functionality. Just download the app of choice, create an account, and connect with your friends. So, there you have it. While direct FaceTime on Android isn't possible, these alternatives provide easy and effective ways to bridge the gap and stay connected face-to-face with your iPhone's friends and family. Now go give them a call.